Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Stats Perform. They are hiring for data collection analyst, shift lead and team lead positions, and there are over 50 vacancies available. So coming to the eligibility criteria, you must be any graduate, UG or PG. You must be ready to work on rotational shift. You should have the age between 18 to 27 years, and the candidate with basic sports knowledge would be preferred. So the address details are mentioned here. It would be Chennai near Anand Theatre bus stop. So if you are interested to apply for any of the job role, you can directly walk in interview from Monday to Saturday between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And also you can drop your resume on this mail ID. And for more detailed information, you can reach out to them with the given contact numbers.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.